All right, in this video, we're going to go over significant figure rules. All right, let's get started. So any number you have, any non-zero number, any non-zero number, whole number, is significant, is equal to significance. Okay, 7.937 is significant. There has to be a decimal, right? 57 decimal, two significant figures. If it was just 57, then ambiguous. If I had 2,000, significant. But what about these zeros? Are they significant? Well, we'll get to that. They are. Those zeros are significant. So now let's talk about zeros. So any zero that is in front of a number, right, a non-zero number, is insignificant. Insignificant. And we call these zeros leading zeros. Leading zeros are zeros that are in front of some whole number. And leading zeros are always insignificant. Okay? Now, trailing zeros are always significant when there is an explicit decimal. So in this case, we have two significant figures. Trailing zeros are always significant when we have an explicit decimal. Explicit means that it's visible, right? Instead of implicit. This would be an implicit decimal. We know the decimal goes right there, but it's implicit. Here we see the decimal, it's visible, so it's explicit. So trailing zeros are always significant if and only if there is a decimal. So if I have 0.7000, these three zeros are significant. Okay. Now what if I have a zero embedded in between two numbers, two non-zero numbers, decimals there? This is significant. Embedded zeros are always significant. Significant. They're always sig figs. Are they always? Yes, they're always. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, so if we have something like this, the leading zero is not significant. 7, let me get a green here. Fine, we'll make it purple. We'll make it light blue. 7 is significant. This 0 is significant. This 8 is significant. This 0 is significant, right? Because it's a trailing 0 and we have this explicit decimal point. This is an embedded 0 right here, so it's always significant. Leading zeros, are always insignificant. Okay, well, with that said, what about 0.00840? Again, leading zeros are always insignificant. Those are insignificant. 8 is a non-zero number. It's always significant. 8 and 4 are significant. And this 0, this is a trailing 0. We have a decimal point here. Trailing zeros are always significant. So we have 3 sig figs. That's it for this video.